Hey y'all, welcome back or welcome to my channel. So this vlog is gonna be my vacay maintenance vlog for my birthday trip, my solo birthday trip to Hawaii, my first ever solo trip. So I'm really excited, a little nervous, but I'm really excited. I'm gonna get my hair done. I know I normally do like prep and pack and like include all the maintenance and the packing, but I don't think I'm gonna do packing in this video just cause, you know, I be showing that all the time. But I am gonna show my maintenance since I'm getting something different today. I'm getting a sew-in. This is my second sew-in ever. My first sew-in was the last time I went to Hawaii back in 2022. But I'm getting leave out. But the bundles I got are supposed to match my natural hair. So that way, like if my hair gets wet, it won't matter. You know, like it'll still look pretty decent. So yeah, I'm at my appointment now. I'm just waiting for her to get here. So yeah, and then I have to do my nails. I'm gonna get my pedicure on my way home from my hair appointment, and I'm gonna get my lower back waxed because I do leave tomorrow. I've got all my stuff laid out and folded up. I just need to put it in the suitcase, and like everything, all my tech stuff, all my cameras and stuff, everything is laid out. I just need to put it in the suitcase that it goes in. I don't know if I want to do lashes. I may do lashes, which I usually do myself, because after the last time, which, you know, when I went to Hawaii before, I got my lashes done by somebody for the first time, and that was just the worst experience ever.
Ow! Jump scare.
Not the girl. I don't think it was the girl. I just think I had a bad reaction to like the glue or like the lashes or something. I don't know. My eyes were super irritated. So I just won't ever do that again. So I just do that myself now. And I'll do my personalized myself, and then that's it. Oh, I also have to do my Brazilian wax myself. Crazy. Like, you know, I'm normally a DIY girl. Y'all know I DIY almost every year for my birthday. At least I have been for a majority of the years that I've been on YouTube. But I didn't want to be bothered with that this year, other than my nails and my lashes. I got my legs waxed last week because I had a photo shoot, or a week and a half ago because I had a birthday photo shoot. Anyway, I got my legs waxed, but I didn't get my Brazilian wax. I was like, well, I'll just wait till the week of the trip to get my Brazilian, and so it'll be fresh. Girl, how about Mother Nature call? Like, I should have got it done when I had the photo shoot, and then it wouldn't have been a problem, but now I have to do it myself because I don't want to be up there. I know some people say, like, they'll go get their wax like on their cycle. I'm not doing that. Like, I'll do it myself before I put somebody through it. That's just a no. I don't care. Like, how do y'all even do that? What you do, wear a tampon? I'm not even doing that. That's just no. But anyway, so I think this is gonna be a vacay maintenance vlog. Nothing else, no packing. Yeah, I'm so excited. I need to book my excursions. I haven't booked any excursions, like, and I've been like super prepared for this trip. So I'm like, I was supposed to be doing that last week or the week before that, and I just never did it because I had some other stuff going on. I was babysitting, then I had to do my birthday shoot, and then my dad's birthday is the week before mine and my sister. If you don't know, I'm a twin, so you know, of course our birthday's on the same day, July 11th, but my dad's birthday is on the 5th, and we threw him a surprise party because he turned 60, so that was a lot. And then yeah, I just haven't had time for nothing else, so I didn't book my excursion. So I'll do that tonight, or I'll do it like on the plane or something. I definitely need to plan my content tonight. I was supposed to been plan my content, like plan out content that I needed to get. I just want to have everything planned, like TikToks I want to do, just to make sure I do everything I wanted to do, because again, since I'm doing a solo trip, I have time to do everything I want to do, and I have to worry about holding anybody up or anybody rushing me or nothing like that. So yeah, I need to plan out my content just to make sure I get everything I want to get. I got like some inspo pics saved. I got some TikToks saved. I just want to make sure I for sure plan out the ones I want to get in the airport. Because like I'm going to be in the airport once, at least going there. I could do it again coming back. But anyway, I'm just rambling at this point. Anyway, y'all, let's get this hair done. Okay, y'all. Hold on. The hair is done. What do y'all think? It's my first time getting a sew-in with like hair that matches. What do y'all think? I think it's so cute. I can't wait to stick my little flower in it. Like, can't y'all just imagine it? My little flower in my hair. So now I need to head back like home direction. I really need to go to the gym first, just because I don't want to be bothered with that later on in the day when more people start coming. And then get my toes done and get my wax. And yeah, and I'll do my nails when I get home. This is so freaking cute.
You've been waiting so long for me to answer your call. I know that I shouldn't have had you waiting at all. I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about what I wanna do with you. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. Can see you and me too. Was me and you now. I've been waiting, think I wanna make that move now. Baby, tell me if you like it. Tell me if you like it now.
Whew. All right, y'all. I'm packed and everything. Right now, I'm doing my Brazilian. Obviously, not gonna show y'all that, but period. Whew. Alright, y'all, I just finished my wax. It actually went way better than the last time I did this. It still hurt, but nowhere near as bad as before, and it didn't take me as long either. So yeah, it came out so good. Like, it just looked like a professional did it. Like, I'm so proud of myself. But yeah, I did that, and I also did my underarms too. I didn't show that. I could have showed y'all that, but anyway. So now all I have to do is my nails. I was gonna do lashes, but I really don't feel like it. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with my nails, but we'll see.
Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. Fire, 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 fire. Hey, Roman numeral 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take your dreams and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take your enemies in front of God. Introduce them to that life, hit them strictly with the fire. It's a lie, do your dance, let them watch. She a fan, he a flop, they just wanna kumbaya, nah.
This world concrete, I would go. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure.
Woke up today, look at your picture just to get me started. I called you up, but you weren't there, and I was broken hearted.
Baby, you was lost, like close. And I'm with you, everything goes. Coming with that on my soul. Body down, wrist close. Time on the way home. This world concrete, flowers grow. Heartache, she only do what she know. Weekends, get it poppin' on the low. Better days coming for sure. If it was up to me, I wouldn't give it nobody no sympathy. I take away the pain, I give you everything. I just wanna see you rain, wanna see you. just what
I mean, I trust you, I tell you, I won't waste your time, I turn it off, just so I can tell you, I'ma make you say it loud. I'm not even tripping, I won't stress you out. I might even settle down for you, I'ma show you, I'm a pro, I'ma take my time and turn it off, just so I can turn you on, baby. Weekends get poppin' on the low, better days coming for sure.
I know you're coming for it.
Aloha, good morning everyone. Welcome to Delta Flight 837 on nonstop service to Honolulu, Hawaii. It's our pleasure to have you on board with us today.